I am excited to show you more features in Tier 2 for those who are getting more serious about their comic making skills. Putting an image in a box is just the start. Every image inside a panel is fully adjustable. Start by clicking on any panel with an image. This brings up the panel controls. Next, rotation. Drag the rotation control to tilt the image inside the frame. A slight angle instantly adds drama to an action scene. You also have flip controls. Click Flip Horizontal to mirror the image and change the direction a character is facing, or Flip Vertical to turn it completely upside down. To reframe, just click and drag the image itself to pan around the panel. And if you go too far, just hit Reset to snap it back to default. Now let's look at the borders themselves. Look at the panel outline settings. Use the slider to make the border thicker, or click the hex code to change the color entirely. Why do this? A thick, heavy border can emphasize a crucial story beat, while a tinted border instantly tells the reader they are looking at a flashback. You can even uncheck Show Panel Outline to remove the border entirely. This is a great trick for letting your art bleed seamlessly into the background for a dream sequence. And if you design a border style you love, just check Apply to all pages and panels to instantly update your entire book's global style. And that is the power of panel settings. Same image, completely different panel, depending on how you frame and style it. Now, let's get specific with your dialogue. Open the Text tab. You have 7 distinct types for every situation. Let's put them side by side. There is Default, my favorite. We have a clean, rounded speech bubble, a dreamy, cloudy thought bubble, a rectangular caption box for narration, a jagged shout bubble for explosive impact, a dashed whisper bubble for quiet moments, and finally, no bubble for floating plain text. You can even toggle the balloon to have rounded corners if you like. Now, let's select a speech bubble and look at the tail. You don't just point it, you customize it. Use the sliders to adjust the tail length, the tail width, the curve, and even the tip width. Make it point exactly where you want, with the exact style you need. Or even transform the tail into a bubble connector. Look! You can even change the fill color and the border colors of your bubble to dial in the look you want. If you create a bubble you love, click Save Style. Using the paint mode, you can apply that exact look to any new bubble instantly. Next up, we will be exploring advanced text formatting styles. Can't wait! The words matter, but so does how they look. Double-click any text bubble to open the Rich Text Editor. Every text bubble has full formatting control. Switch your font to match the mood. Use bangers for action. Or indie flower for something casual. You can even upload your own font. No limits! You can adjust the font size, toggle bold, italic, and underline, or hit the all caps button for instant shouting. Use the color picker to change your text color. You can also adjust alignment, letter spacing, and vertical line height for the perfect fit. If your text is sitting over a busy image, the text outline and text shadow are your best friends. Add a thick outline or a colored drop shadow to make those words pop. You can even change the bubble fill color and the border width. Save your custom styles or choose from our presets. Look at the before and after. Plain text versus fully styled. Don't just write it, design it. Let's set the scene with backgrounds. Open the settings area in the sidebar where your backgrounds live. First, let's check out the pattern grid. We have over 20 built-in options. Click to instantly apply a classic dot grid, a checkerboard, or even a watercolor or sketch paper texture right behind your panels. Want something completely unique? Let's use the Custom Image tool. You can upload a brand new file or just grab any asset you already have sitting in your library. Here is where it gets really helpful. You don't need to worry about aspect ratios. The background creator automatically provides a bounding box that perfectly matches your specific page dimensions. Just click and drag the image to pan, use the slider to zoom in, or rotate it right there in the window. It takes all the guesswork out of formatting. Once your crop is dialed in, just click Apply Background and it drops perfectly behind your panels. You can toggle this to Apply to all pages for a consistent look, or keep it on Current Page Only to mix and match. And if you change your mind, just hit Clear Background to go back to blank. Now for the finishing touches. Let's talk about stickers. Open the Assets tab and switch to the Stickers sub-tab. Stickers are different from panel images. When you drag a sticker onto the canvas, it lands on the very top layer, overlaying your panels and text. They are perfect for action lines, sound effects, or visual arrows. Click on a sticker to bring up its controls. Grab the transform handles to resize it, or the top handle to rotate it. You can also use the control panel to dial in the exact scale percentage, rotation degree, flip it, or add an outline. Pro tip: use Control plus arrow keys to nudge your sticker 1 pixel at a time for precise positioning. Stickers break the frame. They add that final layer of polish to your page.